Hi, web workers. Welcome to episode 2 of Job Hunt with me. So, once again, guys, my name is Ron Oriente. I'm a career strategist and a coach. So, welcome nga guys sa episode 2 natin. And I think the very first thing that you need to do when hunting clients or generally job hunting is to create your own tracker. So, I created my own and actually started sending applications like mga 1 week na. So, let me show you my tracker. So, there you go guys. This is my tracker. So, sa tracker ko, very simple lang siya. So, naglagay lang ako dito sa taas ng, of course, passing rate. And then, dito naman, the action needed tab. Pag, para malaman ko kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin, kung may mga pinapapasa pa sila or what. The company name, the position, work setup, where did I apply, links to the job, and then yung status kung nasan na ba ako, tapos na ba ako mag-final interview or what. And then, date applied, resume, yung link ng resume because guys, one thing na sinasabi ko or pinakamahalaga is not to apply with the same resume. So, different companies, different resume dapat, okay? And then, syempre, end result dito, and may dalawa na akong failed dyan, and sendan na nila kasi ako ng email na mag-move forward daw sila sa iba. Ganyan. And then, just comments, yan. So guys, pinakita ko nga sa inyo na yung first application ko is May 19. So, kung titignan natin yung date ngayon, so May 19, that's actually mga 3 weeks ago na rin pala. So, pang third week to. And naka-receive naman ako ng mga feedback. Like, I've been into 3 interviews, 1 assessment, and then yung isa doon is pang third step na ako. So, it means na yung strategies natin, it's working. And actually today, I have a scheduled interview with the client. So, di ba? Nag-work din talaga yung mga strategies natin. So, for this video, I think what I'll leave you guys with is that you don't apply with the same resume. And iba't ibang resume dapat per job application because iba-iba naman yung kailangan for different position, 'di ba? In different company. So, and then create a tracker para makikita na din yung progress nyo. So, yeah, I have so many tips to give you guys. So, if you want, you can just, follow for more, follow for the next episode. So, that's it guys. Bye.